Ity and Fancy Cat Show.
Oh God, we're dead now. We're in trouble. My case, my husband by the time. You have to go when my husband soon come. Leave, leave. My case and put on your clothes. Oh God, oh, yes, let me leave. Come, you're not gone yet. You're always asleep, sleep. Oh God, we dead now. My case and move fast, move fast, move fast. Not God, move fast. Oh, this will catch me. Oh, you can't sleep, so. Everybody just has to sleep, sleep, sleep. Lord God, my all clothes them there. You have everything? Oh God, why?
Why don't you some live? You know my wife. I'm my husband. So wait, that them thing you go out with the men are there. So it's a regular thing you say do.
It's a dream, did I dream?
Dream not dream which part. You bring man coming when me not here, man. Which man you bring coming?
Yeah, and look how fast you jump out of bed like you get it. Like a regular, you go a woman, you go jump asleep in the bed. I wish woman you asleep with.
I pretend.
Pretend.
Trick you, yeah.
Really? I catch me and try to just come and catch you red-handed and jump out of bed like you're a thief. You know I'm guilty from that. Why you do me this?
I'm not doing nothing about that. So you
really asleep, woman, you're a cat.
You really a big man in the house.
Yeah, I'm listening. You do me this. You just flip the bone me. I wish woman you give me bone with. I wish woman.
When
No, you tell me. Tell me, baby.